What's up guys, welcome back to another video, you see me? So in today's video we're going to be replacing the reverse tail light bulb on the BMW 1 Series, you see me? So with that said, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so we're going to replace the tail light reverse bulb. So you have them two clippers right here, we're holding this bracket, right? So you go press down on it and then release it. After the panel, you have this screw right here, a 10 spanner. You get a 10 spanner and remove it, you see me? Alright, so you're going to disconnect this piece right here, you see? So you're going to press down on the knob there and then pull it. You see me?
Alright, next step, you're going to remove these 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Alright, so this is the bulb we're going to change.
Brake, indicator, reverse.
Go again.
Brake, indicator, reverse.
Alright, so this is the bulb that blow. You see me? So you just twist, turn, and remove. And this is the new bulb we're going to put in. You see it? LED. Reverse light, LED. Alright, and then you just clip on everything back to normal. You see me? Alright, so this right here, you have to make sure it's line up with that right there. You see me? So when you put in back the headlight, you see me?
Alright, ensure when you put it back in the light to make sure that the water seals are underneath to protect it so water don't come into the light and damage.
Finished product. You see me? LED. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel. You see me? So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.